Lockheed Martin won the contract to create NASA's next-generation spacecraft transporting humans back to the moon. The crew exploration vehicle, now called Orion, will be the capsule of the upcoming Artemis missions. Some of Orion's components are pieced together at Lockheed's new Star Center near Titusville, Florida, which is a former home of Space Camp and the Astronaut Hall of Fame.
The contractors and the government support teams are investing in the community. This particular center here was an 18-month, $20 million investment by Lockheed Martin, and that is helping to expand the manufacturing footprint for the Space Coast and allowing us to be able to increase throughput over time as we ramp up to rate and support the mission of our mission.
Kelly DeFazio is also a longtime resident of Florida's Space Coast. She now oversees the work at Lockheed Martin's Star Center, which includes creating wiring harnesses.
This is basically the nervous system, so to speak, of the capsule,
exactly.
Right?
And the application of thermal tiles that will protect the Orion capsule.
The panel that actually covers just adjacent around the hatch, so the side hatch would be right here where the white foam is.
DeFazio says excitement is building.
I think it will start to become very clear with the launch of Artemis 1 that there is a difference, and you know what? We're going to take humans farther than we have ever gone before.